And this is usually how our builds are performed. So you see here all the trucks, the amount of manpower you should have on a roof to get it done right, get it done fast. Let's go into the actual work. Nice truck, nice trailers, plenty of guys on the roof. It is now 9:30. We started at 7. Here's the elevator lift, the shingle lift. Here's how this works. There you go. That saves on guys' backs. That's a lot safer doing it that way than having some guy lug them up on their shoulder like some of these other roofing companies. Let's see where we're at so far. Everything dried in as far as shingles down, wood replaced, ice and water still in the valleys. And it's now 9:30. Get about 12 guys in this build. And we'll be laying shingles down shortly.